This video shows you how to use the goWatch app for controlling GoPro cameras from Google WearOS devices. First, prepare the camera. Before we go to pair device on the camera, start the goWatch app, add camera and select our camera. Now the camera is connected and ready for use. You can start and stop recording. You can take moments. You can view the camera properties such as free space, remaining recording time, number of pictures and videos taken. You can change the camera mode. You can change presets. We have a countdown and we can power off the camera.